How to stop automatically following on Instagram. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, you need to open up your Instagram application. Here, you need to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, here, you need to click on these three lines at the top right corner, and here you need to scroll down below and click on app website permission. Here you need to click on apps and websites. Here you can clearly see third-party applications and websites that have been granted permission. If there is any unauthorized website or application listed here, you should promptly remove it so that no other account can use your account as their follower. This is the second important way. You need to change your Instagram password. For changing your Instagram password, you need to click on these three lines at the top right corner, account center. And here you need to click on password and security. And in password and security, you need to click on change password. Then you need to select your Instagram profile. And here you need to enter your current password, then enter your new password, then retype your new password. And after the all process, you need to click on change password, and after clicking on change password, your password will be changed. In this way you can stop automatically following on Instagram. Subscribe for more technology content.